Bay windows are a timeless architectural feature that brings elegance, functionality, and charm to any home. For Orangeburg homeowners looking to maximize natural light and create inviting spaces, bay windows are an excellent choice. With their distinctive design and practical benefits, these windows not only brighten up your interiors but also enhance the overall appeal of your home. In this article, we'll explore how bay windows enhance natural light and why they're an ideal addition to Orangeburg homes. Expanding your view and light exposure. Bay windows are characterized by their outward projection, which typically consists of 3 panels. A large central window flanked by 2 smaller angled windows. This design creates a wide, panoramic view, allowing more sunlight to enter from different angles throughout the day. In Orangeburg, where sunny days are abundant, bay windows capture and amplify natural light, making your interiors feel more open and airy. Whether overlooking a scenic backyard or framing the beauty of a tree-lined street, bay windows bring the outdoors in, enhancing your connection to the surrounding environment. Brightening interior spaces. The strategic placement of bay windows can transform dark or dull rooms into bright, inviting spaces. Their expansive glass surfaces allow sunlight to flood your home, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Here's how bay windows can brighten different areas of your home. Living room. Create a sunlit focal point that's perfect for relaxation or entertaining. Bedroom. Enjoy soft, natural light that enhances comfort and serenity. Kitchen or dining area. Make meal preparation and dining experiences more enjoyable with abundant daylight. Orangeburg homeowners can take advantage of bay windows to highlight architectural details, showcase decor, or simply enjoy a naturally lit atmosphere. Enhancing energy efficiency. While bay windows are designed to let in ample light, modern options also offer energy-efficient features. High-performance glass, insulated frames, and weather-tight seals ensure that your home remains comfortable while reducing energy costs. Low-E glass reflects heat and UV rays while allowing sunlight to enter. Double or triple pane glass provides superior insulation to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Weatherproof seals prevent drafts and minimize energy loss. These energy-efficient features are especially beneficial in Orangeburg's climate, helping homeowners maintain a comfortable indoor environment year-round. Creating functional spaces. The unique design of bay windows not only enhances natural light but also adds functional space to your home. The outward projection creates a small alcove that can be used in various creative ways. Window seat. Add a cushioned bench to create a cozy reading nook or lounging area. Storage solutions. Incorporate built-in cabinets or shelves beneath the window for additional storage. Indoor garden. Use the abundant light to grow plants or display flowers, adding a touch of greenery to your interiors. These functional enhancements make bay windows a practical and versatile feature for any room in your Orangeburg home. Improving aesthetic appeal. Bay windows are a statement piece that adds character and elegance to your home. Their unique design can enhance both the interior and exterior aesthetics of your property. Inside, they create a sense of openness and sophistication, while outside, they add depth and dimension to your home's facade. For Orangeburg homeowners looking to boost curb appeal, bay windows are a smart investment. They work well with a variety of architectural styles, from classic to contemporary, and can be customized with various materials, finishes, and details to suit your taste. Connecting with nature. One of the most rewarding benefits of bay windows is their ability to bring nature closer. The expansive views and abundant light create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Whether you're enjoying the vibrant greenery of your garden, watching the changing seasons, or simply basking in the sunlight, bay windows make your home feel more integrated with its natural surroundings. This connection is particularly valued in Orangeburg, where the scenic beauty of the area can be a daily source of inspiration and relaxation. Boosting property value. Installing bay windows is a strategic way to increase the value of your home. Their aesthetic appeal, functional benefits, and energy-efficient features are highly attractive to potential buyers. Orangeburg homeowners looking to sell their property can benefit from the added marketability that bay windows bring. Conclusion. Bay windows are a stunning and practical addition to any Orangeburg home. By enhancing natural light, improving energy efficiency, and creating functional spaces, they elevate both the aesthetic and practical aspects of your property. Whether you're renovating an existing space or designing a new home, consider incorporating bay windows to enjoy their many benefits. With their ability to brighten interiors, connect you to nature, and boost curb appeal, bay windows are a feature that Orangeburg homeowners will cherish for years to come. For expert advice and installation services, reach out to a trusted local window professional who understands the unique needs of Orangeburg homes. Transform your living spaces with the timeless beauty and functionality of bay windows today.